The ad manager on HighLevel is now free for all the agencies. Yay! There is no more platform fees or subscriptions for you as the agency owner. However, you can still decide whether or not you want to resell it for a profit to your sub-locations. If you as an agency owner have been paying so far for this particular feature, your bill is been set to 0. And if you have sub-accounts subscribed to your ad manager, they will stay exactly on that particular subscription that you've set inside your SaaS configurator before. Now let me show you how all of this looks like from the backend. So from the backend, as one of your users, one of your sub locations, they can still access it under marketing on the left, ad manager at the top, and here they will see the activate ads manager for the particular price that you've set inside of your agency setting. And should you decide to not resell it at any profit, then there will not be any charges and the screen will look exactly like this. Now to set this up, switch over to your agency, click on SaaS configurator, then click on edit details on your plans and pricing, then click on add-ons at the top, and right here you can see the add-ons. Select ad manager, scroll down, hit save changes, then head over to reselling on the left, look for ad manager, scroll down, and here you have a feedback card. Click yes if you want to resell or click no if you're not interested. At this moment, this agency is set to reselling since you saw the price earlier, that was $30, but should that agency decide not to do it anymore, they just need to click no, I'm not interested, and then the price gets set to 0. This idea removes all the barriers whilst keeping the monetization power in the hands of the agency owners. It will also help HighLevel to learn from the agency feedback to guide future pricing and adoption. I will see you in the next one.